Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm in a Skoda Octavia from building year 2016 and we're going to replace the low and high beam in the front. You can see it over here. Low beam at the left side, control it because it's broken. So we will open the hood. You can pull on this lever over here, like that, and then you can open the hood. So we're going to replace this bulb. This part we need to turn counterclockwise, like that. And this will come out. You can see over here the connector. So we will pull on the connector. Like that. And then we need to take out the bulb. Gewoon trekken is niet, denk ik. Gewoon ook niet. Good. So this is the old broken bulb. So we will place in the new one. This part you have to place upside. So we slide it in like that. So we will take a new bulb, H7, 55 watts. Be sure you don't touch the glass with your bare fingers. In this position you have to slide it in again. Ja, zo. En dan douwen. Ja, hier zit het juist in het midden.
Deze is wel raker, denk ik.
So now you can see the bulb is changed, and we will connect the connector again. Okay, and then we will turn this back on, turn it counterclockwise. No, clockwise, turn it clockwise. And that's how we change the bulb. H7 from a Skoda Octavia from building year 2016. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.